Have you ever wondered what a wave really is? Why it travels for thousands of kilometers, yet the water itself barely moves forward? Today, we're diving into the fascinating physics behind ocean waves, how they form, how they travel, and why they're so powerful. A wave isn't a movement of water, it's a movement of energy through water. Think of a stadium wave. People stay in place, but the motion travels around. Ocean waves work the same way. Each water particle moves in a circular motion, up, forward, down, back, returning almost to the same spot. So when you see a wave crossing an entire ocean, it's not the water traveling across the planet. It's pure energy. Most waves begin with wind. The stronger the wind, and the longer it blows in one direction, the bigger the waves become. Three factors control wave size: wind speed, stronger winds push harder, duration, how long the wind is blowing. Fetch, the distance over open water the wind travels. Storms in the open ocean create massive waves that can travel for thousands of kilometers. These long traveling waves are called swells. Ocean swells are incredibly stable. Once formed, they continue moving until something stops them. Usually, the coastline. A swell created near Antarctica, for example, can reach South America, Africa, or Australia. Nothing is carrying the water across the planet. It's the energy created by storms. Some swells travel at 60 kilometers per hour or more. Waves begin to break when they reach shallow water. Here's why. In deep water, water particles move in circles as the wave approaches the shore. The ocean floor drags the bottom of the wave. The top keeps moving fast, but the bottom slows down. Eventually, the top outruns the bottom and collapses forward. That's the moment a wave breaks. The shape of the coastline controls how waves break. Beaches, softer, slower waves. Reefs, steep, powerful waves. Sandbanks, shifting, unpredictable waves. Even a small wave contains an impressive amount of energy. But large ocean swells can hit the shore with the force of tons of water per meter. This is why waves can erode cliffs, move huge rocks, and reshape coastlines. It's also why scientists explore wave energy as a source of renewable power. The ocean is constantly in motion. Ocean waves are one of the most constant forces on Earth. They're born from the wind, travel across entire oceans, and shape the world's coastlines. Next time you look at the sea, remember, you're not watching water move forward. You're watching the power of Earth's energy in motion.